I know you've been eating vegetables and sometimes you find it boring, right? What if I tell you that there are super vegetables that can seriously upgrade your health? Not all vegetables give you the same nutritional value. Some are truly powerhouse besties, and those ones, they are packed with lots of nutrients, your fiber, your antioxidants, your vitamins, your minerals that your body needs daily. So if your goal is to eat clean, support your hormone, improve your digestion, and to stay full for a longer period of time in a day, there are vegetables that you must prioritize on your plate. And I hope you know that the goal is not just to eat vegetables, right? The main thing is to eat the right kind of vegetables consistently for your health. So here are some super vegetables that you should start adding to your meals today. Like today, as I'm talking to you, after now, you go to the market, you run to the market to get them. First on the list is your garlic and your ginger. If you're not using garlic and ginger in your meal, what are you cooking? I mean, how do you do it? It's essential. When I mean essential, it is supposed to be a staple whenever you want to cook your ginger and your garlic. Your cauliflower, collard green, broccoli, kale, radish, spinach, beet greens, Swiss chard, asparagus, lettuce, your celery, parsley, carrots, beetroots, bell peppers, mushroom, and eggplant. I mean, I could go on and on and on about these vegetables, but you could start with these ones, besties. Don't say I didn't tell you. These are super vegetables that your body actually needs. So better go get yours and add them to your meals and watch your health become better. See you in my next one.